Hello, everyone. I'm here to tell you about the NAEYC, which stands for the National Association for the Education of Young Children. This is an association that is for the development of the education of youth. The association is made up of 10 different overviews that helps its counselors and teachers help children. These are relationships, curriculum, teaching, assessments of child progress, health, staff competencies and preparations, and support, families, community relationships, physical environment, and leadership and management. These overviews are very important to the association because this helps the child get better grasp on their learning environment that assists in making learning easier. The relationships help build bonds between the child and the instructor that helps the child be more confident in their abilities and suggestions. This also helps them make friends and become more sociable. The curriculum is for of educational guidelines of education that helps with the cognitive, emotional, social, and their language. The teaching has different techniques that enhance the child's learning ability. The assessments of child progress is to inform the parent of where the child is learning and inform the parent of the child's ability in learning. The health aspect of the association is to promote good health of the children in a safe and protective environment where they all practice the same proper protocols of health illnesses. The staff is certified to be able to communicate along a level of proper protocols for health illnesses. The staff is certified to be able to communicate along with a level of commitment to the development of the child's education. The family aspect of it is very important. One of the importance is that all children do not come from the same culture. So with that being understood, the program has teachers to accommodate every child no matter what culture a child has and will build a relationship in benefit of the child's learning and development. Community relationships will have the children getting better, adapt to different outlooks of their community. The physical environment is conducive to the children's learning. This is because the child environment is there to have full access to all things, which leads to leadership, where the child, as well as the staff, has full access to a high quality experience.